Okay, back in the garage with another Arcdroid project. Backstory on this one, my wife and I were walking through Ace Hardware and she saw a silhouette of a Labrador with flowers cut out in it. Yard art kind of thing. And she said, too bad that's not a different breed, because she could add it to a gift she's giving. So she's like, can you do that? So I was like, well, I should be able to find a Dachshund silhouette on the internet. And flower silhouettes seems like something you can do, so I'll give it a shot. So that was pretty easy to do. Open up Inkscape, put the Doxy silhouette, overlaid some flowers, and got my drawing made. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to cut that out and then put some sticks on the end of it for yard art, and then it's handed off to my wife. I don't know if she's just going to paint it black or if she's going to get artistic. But anyway, so that's what we're doing today. We're all good to go for 16 gauge. All right, so we'll run it and see what it does. Let's see, does that look like a Dachshund? It looks like I had a problem on that left ear there, because it's actually sitting on top of the support from the plasma table. Let me see what I can do about that. Okay, I wasn't smart enough or coordinated enough maybe to film this, but I did recover from this ear not cutting out properly. And basically stole the method from Amp Mechanic. I'll put a link to his stuff, he's good. So what I did is I turned off the torch. So right here, turned off the torch, and then ran the program again. And then just before it came to the point that I needed to cut out still, nothing has moved, so but when I came to that point that I needed to recut, I hit the button to turn the torch back on. So when I ran through here, it cut it again. Then I turned it back off and stopped the program. So it looks like that's all free. There's a little dross locking in a couple of spots, but I'll clear this up real quick and show you the finished product. So actually there wasn't any dross locking it in, it's just a complex shape. But there's the finished product. And as you can see, there's a little bit of mess, especially along this ear where I had to cut it twice. But it's not perfectly clean, but I challenged someone to do that by hand. And I'll put some stakes on the legs so he can be stood up in the yard. my wife will paint it whatever. I don't know what she's going to do with it, but so I'll hit it with the flap disc real quick and weld on some stakes and hand it off to my wife. There you go. All right, that was a pretty simple little project. Nothing too complicated. I did clean this guy up and weld some pegs on. Unfortunately, I forgot to push record on the welding part, but as you can see, I just put some little steel wires on it to shove it in the ground. And I used a grinder to clean it up a little bit. That's plan right there. But yeah, a simple little project, you know, little graphics manipulation on the computer, download it or upload it into the Arcdroid, cut it out. Had a little hiccup, but I was able to recover from that. And then, yeah, my wife can paint this up and give it as a gift. Thanks for watching.